17 minus 7, then times 17 minus 7. Our goal is to find the value of this expression. Are you ready to solve? Let's go and get started. Here we have 17 minus 7, which gives us just 10. And 10 times this parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis, we have 17 minus 7, which equals 10. So 10 times 10, which gives us 100. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here, first we have to do this parentheses, not this subtraction. Okay, so first this parentheses, and after this parentheses we have to do this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. Okay, 17 minus 7 gives us 10. So we have 17 minus 7 times 10. Now we have one subtraction and one multiplication. In PEMDAS, multiplication comes before subtraction. So now we have to do this 7 times 10, which equals 70. So 17 minus 70, which gives us negative 53. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is negative 53.